onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya kporo ihe onye metalụ ya bụrụ onye zakụọ ya bụrụ We, the women of this kingdom, on behalf of every member of this community, banish you from this kingdom. You are forbidden from stepping into this land. If you do, the gods of this land will strike you dead. So shall it be forever and ever. Ise. Onye metalu ya buru, onye zakụọ ya kporo, 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 onye metalu ya buru, onye zakụọ.
Madam, how many pieces you want? 120 pieces. Hey, how do you restaurant business? What did you know? 20 pieces. Each each one now 2,000 naira. The 2,000 naira price now all in one price. That is mecha look at this is here, look here, 2,000 naira each. That is 20 pieces and 40,000. 115. Okay, unless you want to carry only the chicken, go. I no go pieces and go pieces and yourself. Now that 2,000 naira, go open and and you 20 pieces. That's 2,000 naira. All in one price. Make I go bring it. One if it fast. Make I go inside go bring better one. This one's the sample. Correct one. They call go. Maleve.
What kept you so long, eh?
Madam, I'm doing it. I will soon be
first
done.
About it, my customers are waiting for me in my shop.
I'm waiting for you next time.
Customer, my big customer. Charlie. Yes, I mean your customer. I mean, look me now. Wait, come on. My close your door. Come on.
I see for my dream last night. Hey, I see for.
You don't start.
No, you don't start with it.
This girl.
Wait.
Excuse me.
Wait. No, my God. Let's go. Now, wait, backward, my guy. It's so good. Hey, go to Bochanite. Check around this magazine. This one big pass.
I like this one.
You like Amabi?
Yeah.
You too much. You know better thing.
So how much are we talking about?
And 100,000 naira.
Oh, that is of the high side. Too much now. Remove something.
Malife, wait. Check the goat now. Where this goat now head to go? If you see you block us, I pay up Obu, correct goat. I don't see my name na Malife, aka no food for lazy man. I'm popular in this. I don't go fit. 100,000 naira.
I'll take it.
Okay. Yeah, you too much. Baba and Kitty, see us fine with your fine shirt, your fine earring. You too much. Eh? But I gotta go for car.
Yeah. Complete, right?
I never can finish. Complete 100K.
That's it.
Rich guy. Baba and Kitty. But it still remains. A good on a gun. A good on the gun.
So, how much are we talking about?
Just 1,500.
Oh, come on, make me customer. I might give you 1,000. I beg.
No.
I beg, who
if
1,000?
you like, you can ask any. My name is Malife. No food for lazy man. I'm not the chop person. If you like, go around this market, ask. I'm not the chop person. Now 1,500. I did
Fine, girl, make me customer. I'll come some other time. I beg.
You see this 1,000, my guy, make I explain something to you.
Yes.
Malife no get chop for this market. Even now, you get to Osafia. So if you give me 1,000 now, the remaining 500, now me go use my money pay. This money where you give me now, I go carry and go give the owner. Collect small way there on top. So if I come over 500 for that small way there on top, if now, I'll drop here.
I like
I'll drop here.
Don't worry, take 1,000. You are a pretty girl.
Oh, extra 500.
Take out.
Babon Kitty.
Take out.
Babon Kitty. Hi, with your 5 earring. I don't say abroad. This is abroad. Where boy, you know the Nigeria.
It's alright.
Your fine shoes.
It's alright.
Now your type, but they like.
I'll come again.
Where will they come again?
I'll surprise you. Yes.
I beg. Correct guy.
Don't worry. It's okay.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome.
Hey, what do you want buy? Make I help you go inside market go buy. See as you fresh. See as your body na Paulina. You know if you enter this market, see everywhere they smell and the sun is too much. Make I go buy.
I mean, I don't know you, so and you don't know me. I'm just seeing you for the first time.
You
so
know you know matter. Did you give me money? Make I help you go buy. This is my job.
All right.
Okay, now your list be this.
Yes.
They come.
Yeah.
See your list. Everything na 8,000 naira.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I hope it's complete.
Check am now, it's complete. I even buy jara on top now. You go see am now. Agba amazing boy para.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hey, Oga Bros. Now only 8,000 naira dey here. I don't go inside market. If I reach now, all these people where I buy something from on credit because they know me now. I will go give this money to them. Then I will zero on Barak in front of the
Okay, I understand.
I don't get shop for this market. When I like this, I take chop.
It's okay. Don't worry. Just hold on to this.
Thank you. Be correct guy. Right. You too much. See as you dey shine, your body fresh. Guy, you too much.
No problem.
Dalo, when they come again?
Don't worry. Next time.
Next time, like in 2 days. Just ask of Malife. No, me Malife for this market. Ask of me, I dey here. Okay. Thank you, bros. Thank you.
Onye na-agba mbọ ka ifeọma na-abịalụ, onye gba mbọ ogolibe, onye lụọ olie, aka aja aja butela ọnụ mmanụ mmanụ, jisi ike gbaba mbọ nwanne m, ọ ga-adịcha mma, malife gbaba mbọ n'ụwa, jisi ike n'ọlụ, aga na-emenụ, ka ife dị mma, jisi ike gbaba mbọ, n'ọlụ aga na-anwa ka ife dị mma, mara ife gbaba mbọ n'ụwa, jisi ike n'ọlụ aga na-anwa ka ife dị mma, mara ife gbaba mbọ n'ụwa, jisi ike n'ọlụ aga na-eme ka ife dị mma, jisi ike gbaba mbọ n'ụwa, jisi ike n'ọlụ eme ka ife dị mma.
Wait, Malife! Mama! Cha! This one of my customer, my best friend. I want to talk. Hey, cha! Good. I get very big one. You get bull when I get a big one. Which I want. This one, see as it big, yeah? The name of my appeal is very big. This one is 20,000 naira.
Yeah, it's on the high side.
Yeah. Bros, look at more. Now, don't cast out the people.
Don't cast out hope it's not violent.
No, see, you see,
now big one.
See. You see, block us, eh? I pay the arm. You understand? See.
I tell you, like.
ego ụtọ na ego ala. Alright, guy, you need to put down. But it's fresh. You know, the ego ụtọ na ego ala. Yes. You can ask anybody, I didn't make him mother from Malefe, understand? I know the job person, that one day. That's the goat is 65,000. A goat on a gun, 1,500. That is 6,500. I'm a master in school.
Okay, let me just get it. Right?
Okay. Alright, guy. You know, put out, see us in fried. I just get a rope for sale. They chop live. You mean you one on now? Where Malife? Who they talk? And Malife they talk now. Who they talk? Who they talk? Ah, fine bros. How you doing now? You want to come market? Oh, you get business for me? Hey, just send me the address where I go come now. Any business where you want, whether goat, chicken, anything, I go supply. Even if you want 10 trailer load, I go malify there around. Make I call your house. You go send me the address for this phone. No, I go come. Fine bros. Thank you. I dey come. Wait, malify, I dey come. Hey, fine bros. Hey. Madam, I beg, do fast, make I chop. I can just one more. I want to see Oga Tony.
Oga no say you dey come.
I know say I dey come.
Now wetin you go do?
Go tell am Malife or me Ife. Go.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, just get this done.
Now this kind of tea they drink. See as your body fresh. I just get plugging out. What's a lot? Chai.
Thank you. I hope locating this place wasn't difficult.
No, it's not though. I just trust me. I be area. I can't see this thing, the number.
Okay.
The number for the gate. I say na here.
Aha.
I can't knock.
It's very easy to locate, yeah.
The house is very. Oh boy. I know more there.
Just help me with this.
Where you going? I don't want to.
Oh, fine, I drink this.
You don't drink. No, see your body. You too fresh.
Enjoy yourself. You want more? Want me to give you more? Okay.
Buy a quarter mango. I'm going to be a yak. Thank you. Hey.
You like?
Likeness. Thank you. It's very, very sweet, yeah? So, now the business, I don't think too take for here. No, say time, man. Okay. You know, say I never introduced myself, eh? My name is Malife, aka No Food for Lazy Man, aka Time and Money. Tell me the business, make I do and can't do those when I gather.
Actually, the truth is that there is no business.
You see?
No business. After I saw you at the market, I noticed you have a wonderful character. You know, I said to myself, this girl does not belong here. Something is definitely wrong. I mean, why would you be doing a job that is meant for a man? Your mates are in school, or you can even choose a better choice for job. I just want to know what's going on with you. So that
Yes! Malife, I'm working. Tell me the business where carry me come here. Make I come here. Make I come out here. What's in the worry you now? It is say I did here make I drink or baby.
Listen, please, just calm down. I don't mean any harm. I am willing to help. All I need from you is allow me to help you. Please.
Wait. Ibabombo. But you know yawa. Continue.
Please, just wait. Just
You say na my own, na make I carry am go.
Yes, the tall chocolate girl, yes.
Let's say go to side the market.
Exactly,
Normally.
exactly.
I will check, let me check her now if I will able to see her.
Okay, please.
Let me
Okay,
check.
please call her for me.
Check for her this year.
This year?
Just come on, just like that. You check everywhere. All the market, you check even as of her this year. Okay,
No problem.
Now this get the warriors for this market. How go just the woman go come from nowhere, they chance us? Huh? If you enter here, Malife, waiting the shop now.
Bro, tire. That girl don't collect all my customers.
I'm at done too much.
I don't even get any customer again. All my customers are place. That girl will do something for the market. That's all the other day. We took the drag customer. She the drag customer with me. Now she see this bobo like this.
Which bobo?
That bobo when they always come with red card. The bobo fine. That bobo went fine. You know him. That bobo they use red card they come. And she see this bobo like this now. So she take off. She run. Now once
what's in the costume now?
Help me answer him. I dey suspect say that bobo fit be a brother or a husband.
That one no be issue. The issue is my house rent don't expire. And I need to do something about it.
Brother.
We must resolve this girl issue.
Brother, I get burial to attend next month. My mama burial. What are you saying? That girl will do something for the market.
You talking too much. You make me we go settle am between ourselves. No raise the board.
Hey, my guy, this is why you call me for one corner. How you dey be now?
Yes, I want tell you something where you don't know for this area. You know all those our colleagues when we dey hustle together, then they talk bad about you.
But I no send them man. I come here make I hustle chop. I no send anybody.
I no send them. And only that is why they protect you, they protect your interests.
You be my guy. You don't say me and you resemble. Check out that. Check the color, check the height. You too much. Yeah, correct. Correct.
Malife. There's something I want to tell you.
I'm gonna I hear you.
I've been thinking about this for a while now. I want us to run things, I have compound interest where you did. I like you.
Wait to
Yes.
run things as in via Mbadan.
Yes, nah.
Make I tell you something. You see this side? This is the way they look. Come out your eye. No go area.
It's me.
Cross and die. Eh? Unless it's me choice. This ABCB or Nabazi. Eh? This ABCB or when she has.
It has not got into that. You just know that I have interest. I would love to, us to have,
Nane kwa mbadosia. Yes! Afambo malefe. And what I'm shop ni mafia. Mugu. Why? Now they look here. Cross and die. Stay here. Eh? Come out your eye, yo. Unless you say about another thing. Come out your eye.
Look.
It's obvious that she's avoiding me. She doesn't want to see me. What do I do now? Something tells me that girl needs help.
Bros, bros, see that girl where they find. You know go see her. That girl, no dey do man. She be my fellow man. No dey do man.
Just carry me go where she dey now.
Bros, I no go lie. I no go fit carry you go meet that day.
Hi. Take.
Bros, I don't need this your money. I don't need that.
Help me. Help me.
Don't carry your money. Maybe say I won't collect her. But no problem. I go show you where she go. I must be go.
Yes. What's up? Who is that? By the way, why they run from you, sir? What's up? How they happen? What do you want? I mean, this is a customer. They bring, but they find you the run small inside market. Make her they find something to chop. But you don't graduate from another. What do you want from me? You won't find me. You walking like this as you fresh like this. Leave all the 5 years with the inside market. Come here. Don't find me. Bros, make her see my brand. 6 months I never wash it. This pants why I go here. For more than 2, I shot that. I don't remember the last time I washed it. I did smell. You see my skin. You leave all the fresh girls where they there. I be the best side person will get in cash. Those girls inside city, they are all fresh, big, they round, any style, any cup. What do you want? I be the same. The day say me go bring girl when they do sell coat, me they can do ritual. You want to do ritual? What do you want? Why they follow me? I can't leave my business. They touch from you. The day why they here, they touch from you. You know how many goats or chicken or what's it up and don't carry for people? Collect money what they take care of myself. What did they do you? Yes! Wait! Malife! They follow me up and down. Business was good. I believe and they run from you. They run up and down. They send you. You want to use me to do money ritual? I beg. Come up for me. Hey, see. Very big goat.
Auntie Mama, let me give you one pack for 3 numbers.
Mbao, it's 500 though. Look at the goat now. Big goat.
Auntie Mama, no messing can now. No one got shake and then I can't wait cause of
no. Instead, you pick one number, 500 naira. If I is Bodan Kasa, if you are cooking this, why you not the other village? And I miss you. Pick one number, give me 5 each. Correct guy. That also. Now take your own number.
This last money way in my hand now when I want to eat. You
no go regret that. I see the big goat. Even if you don't want to kill the goat, chop it, man. If you sell, you know how much you go get from this goat. Ordinary 500.
After I buy bet.
Let me give it to you. Let me see if my luck will shine.
It will shine. It will shine. It will shine. Thank you.
You're expecting the gold.
Yes, so yes. Buy on the tablet in number.
Don't say my number. Don't say my number. Look where again the way down.
No, but I'm say come when came to like have you opened your card?
No, I have not opened it. That's why I'm here. So that you will be my witness. Now you man I will open your phone again.
You got to akita.
Yes.
I'm going to open it. Oh. Oh, God. What's the people ngada?
Nah, you don't be angry. Is Obi or Obi Jack that one?
Ah, you go to the local park. Is that better? Obi na Lily?
Yes. don't feel bad. Eh? Tomorrow is still another day. You might win tomorrow. Eh?
Maybe next time will be my turn.
Yes. Okay, so let me take the goat.
Next time you bring your card, you bring for me.
Make
sure it's this type of goat.
Yeah.
I need it.
Want this goat? Hey, come for now. Hey, Amara. Thank you very much.
Take your goat. Enjoy yourself. Now, on our soggy. Now you are rejoicing. But yesterday when I was telling you, I told you that in this our business, in this my business, the higher the risk and investment, the more you stand the chance of winning.
I know you are a good girl, and I know you also have luck. That is why I even considered writing the thing in the first place. Hey, so be me, Taba.
Enjoy your good.
Manage this one.
Obi one name. What this one for me?
If I even cook the goat, I'll bring for you.
You bring the goat for me?
Hey, Mazokoro! Hey! Viva Guanaguae! Mazokoro!
Now I know why you must like a man. It's all good. Please, if you don't mind, don't feel like I'm too forward. Tell me about your life.
Bros, don't go there. See, my love life is not a pleasant one, and it's very long. It's a long story. Don't go there, baby.
Listen, I have all day to myself, alright? Just let me into your world. I just want to know what the problem is. Just tell me.
You just say one here. My real name is Marachineke. I came from a poor background. Like I tell you before, my story is a very painful and mysterious one. love, I'm going to see my parents. Would you like to stay here or should I take you inside? They're fine, The food is still here in case you are come later in the day. You know I love you.
Mother.
Oh, you.
Maz.
Number.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hello.
Okay, Mesa.
No, man. No.
Is your wife at home?
No. She went to the market. Hey. Today is a poor market day.
Hey, whoa. Hey, I forgot. I came to take a abada for Gary from her.
And what are you doing with that? I know you don't eat Gary. Or have you gone into Gary business?
They must. I have not gone into my Gary business. My daughter Amara said I should come today to visit me. So I decided to fry small Gary for her. You know that since her husband became sick, things have been very difficult for her.
Oh, Amara. It's a pity. Well, tell her to do the much she can do and leave the rest to God.
Oh no.
Because meanwhile, when she returns, just let me know. But tell her to come. I may have one or two things to do to assist her.
Hey, Demazi, thank you. Chukum gozelumi. Hey, nah, you will not lack any help in your life. Hey,
the Agbada Gary. It's at the back of the house.
Onazono.
Close to the kitchen.
Okay.
Oseba.
Thank you, Nai.
Thank you. All of us. Poor girl. It's a pity. Hey.
is Onyeka?
Ma, Onyeka is not getting better.
It's okay. Don't worry. He will get better. In time, he will be fine.
Mama, when? When is he going to get better? Haven't I suffered enough? Mama, I've not enjoyed this marriage with Onyeka even for one day. 2 weeks after our wedding, he got that partial stroke. That's how I've been carrying him about from one hospital to another, one spiritualist to another, one this one to... Honestly, I'm tired. If I have my way, I'll walk out of that marriage.
Amarachuku, don't you ever sound like this again? How will you sound like this? Eh? Don't you think that if you leave Onyeka now, people will think you are ungrateful and unreasonable? They will even think you are very wicked. How will you leave him? This is the time for you to show him love. Do you think that he is enjoying the state he is in now? What happened to him was not his fault. And he is not enjoying it either. So this is the time he needs us. Mom, please calm down. The light will shine again. He won't die in this illness. He will recover with time. He will survive it. Have you forgotten all he did for us? No, I have not forgotten myself. Ogobuchioni, this is the time I personally will stand by him. And you have to stand by him so that we will see him through it. You know, go Mwam. Go?
Yes,
your uncle Okeke said that he would like to see you before you leave.
Okay, I will see him on my way back.
It's okay. Don't worry. I will assist you as much as I can. I will stand by you. I will not leave you. Oh, Mom. Oh?
So let people enjoy their marriage.
Oni, how are you today?
Look at my brother. You've seen me. You've seen me.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay?
Yes. That is what people keep telling me every day. That I'll be fine. But look at me now. Even when I'm dead.
God forbid. Onyeka, that is not your portion. See, you will get out of this situation very soon, okay? God is not asleep. And your guys are making moves to find lasting solution to your problem. Onyeka, you were good to your friends when the going was smooth. So we cannot abandon you at a time like this. Anyway, yesterday, someone introduced me to a native doctor who is a specialist in this kind of problems.
Where is this man?
He's in Enugu, but story has it that he has treated a lot of people with this kind of problem in the past.
Look at my brother. Who knows what his financial request could be like? We don't have anything in this family again. We've sold all the tangible things in this house.
Onyeka.
My siblings, they are not helping matters.
Onyeka, I understand. Okay, I understand. Your friends and I will do our best. Let's go there first and find out what tomorrow holds. Remember life first. Onyeka.
Ebuka. Chukwugoziege.
Ndewo.
Thank you so much.
You'll be fine.
What has God done for us again?
Hey.
I went out with Ikenna.